Hello, good morning, and today in the video for the day we will be learning how to compare fractions without finding the LCM. Okay, so we have already learned how to compare the like fractions and the unlike fractions in the previous video, but here we will learn about how to compare unlike fractions without finding LCM. Sometimes it's hard for you to find LCM, so let's start how we are going to do. So we will start when the numerators are same. Suppose I have been given 5 by 7, 5 by 9, 5 by 6, 5 by 11. Now how I am going to solve this sum? The numerators are same, we will compare the denominators. Here larger the denominator, smaller is the fraction. Therefore, you can see now 7, 9, 6, 11. Out of 7, 9, 6, 11. This is the smallest one. Therefore, 5 by 6 will be the greatest fraction. Then, out of this then comes 7. That means 5 by 6 is greater than 5 by 7. Similarly, 5 by 7 is greater than 5 by 9. And 5 by 9 is greater than 5 by 11. Therefore, larger the denominator, smaller is the fraction. Hope this is clear to you. Going on to the next example. Now here in the second part, we have to compare the given fractions, that is 1 by 2, 2 by 5, 1 by 3, 5 by 6. What I will do here it is that I will see the numerators are smaller than the denominators here. So simply here you don't have to apply any particular logic, you just have to see and apply the logic. So I will multiply all the numerators by 10 so that I can easily divide them by the given denominators. So multiplying this by 10, this becomes 10 by 2. This becomes 20 by 5. This becomes 10 by 3. This becomes 50 by 6. Okay, while comparison, you can multiply or divide by a same number during comparison. So now 10 by 2, you don't need to divide completely. Only you just have to see. Now 10 by 2 becomes 5. 20 by 5 becomes 4. 10 by 3, 3. 3 times gives me 9. And 4 times gives me 12. Therefore, I will go for the quotient here will be 3. Similarly, 50 divided by 6. 6, 8 times gives me 48. That is smaller than 50. 6, 9 times gives me 54. That is bigger than 50. Therefore, I will go for 8. Now, you can easily compare these numbers. So, which one is bigger? If I am going to write it in the ascending order, ascending order means smallest to biggest. So I can arrange these numbers, that is 3, 4, 5 and 8. Accordingly, the fraction corresponding to 3 is 1 by 3. The fraction corresponding to 4 is 2 by 5. The fraction corresponding to 5 is 1 by 2. And the fraction corresponding to 8 will be 5 by 6. Thus 1 by 3 is the smallest one and 5 by 6 is the biggest fraction. Or you can show the greater sign here. Okay. Now in the third question I am going to compare the given fractions, that is 4 by 5, 9 by 10, 7 by 15, 2 by 3. Now here what I am going to do, see the denominators here are bigger numbers. So what I am going to do here, that I am going to change these fractions to numerator by the difference between the numerator and the denominator. So here what will you do? This is 4. The difference between numerator and the denominator, that means 5 minus 4 gives me 1. 9. 10 minus 9 gives me again 1. 7. 15 minus 7 is 8. 2. 3 minus 2 gives me 1. So 4 by 1 is 4. 9 by 1 is 9. 7 by 8 you will write as it is. and 2 by 1 is 2. 7 by 8 is a proper fraction that will come between 0 and 1. Therefore, it is less than 1. The value of 7 by 8 will be less than 1. So, if you have to arrange it in ascending or descending order. So, let me take here ascending order. I am going to arrange it. The smallest one will be the less than 1. That is 7 by 8. That is less than 2. 2 is less than 4. And 4 is less than 9. So the fraction corresponding to 7 by 8 is 7 by 15. That means this is less than. The fraction corresponding to 2 is 2 by 3. The fraction corresponding to 4 is 4 by 5. And the fraction corresponding to 9 is 9 by 10. So this will be my ascending order. Now here in question number 4 again, let me do one more example. So we have to compare the given fractions. So here also we can see that the numerators are greater than the denominators are greater than the numerators. So what I am going to do, 11, that is the numerator by the difference in the numerator and denominator. Therefore 11 by 14 minus 11 gives me 3. 1 divided by 2 minus 1 gives me 1. Numerator here is 5. Difference will be 7 minus 5, 2. 2. The difference here will be 1. Now here you have to simply divide these numbers. You can easily divide. 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So 3 will be the quotient here. 1 by 1 gives you 1. 5 by 2. 2 times gives me 4. And 1 more. So this will be 2 and this will be 2 point something that will come. Okay. Therefore, if you are going to arrange these numbers, this will be 1 less than 2 less than 2 point something and this is 3. So, fraction corresponding to 1 is 1 by 2, which will be less than fraction that is 2 by 3. Then this is having some more value, therefore this will be 5 by 7 and 3. The fraction corresponding to 3 is 11 by 14. So this is the required arrangement in the ascending order. Now here in the fifth question, if you closely look at the denominators, they are all multiples of 11. Therefore dividing all the denominators by 11, I get this is 3 by 3. 11 3s are 33. Numerator 11 7s are 77. Similarly 4 2s are 2 11s are 22. 48 here. And 6 11s are 66. So my fraction reduced to this form. Now I can divide them easily. 3 by 3 gives me 1. 21 by 7. 7 3s are 21. 2 times gives me 4. 6 8 times gives me 48. Now if I have to arrange them in ascending order, this will be 1, 2, 3 and 8. So now the fraction corresponding to 1 is 3 by 33. That is less than. The fraction corresponding to 2 is 4 by 22. That is less than. The fraction corresponding to 3 is 21 by 77. And that is less than. The last one obviously is 48 by 66. Thus we have arranged them in the ascending order. That is from smallest to biggest. Now here in the next one, we are given 16 by 14, 2 by 21, 1 by 42, 5 by 7. Now if you look closely at the denominators, okay, what will be there? These all are multiples of 7. Therefore, I can divide all of them by 7. 16. 14 divided by 2. 7 2 times gives you 14. 7 3 times gives you 21. 1 by 6. 5 by 1. Okay, now see, these have been reduced, but still you cannot divide. So what will I do? I will multiply all the numerators by 10. This becomes 160 by 2, 20 by 3, 10 by 6, and this becomes 50. 2 8 times gives me 16. This becomes 80. 20 by 3. I don't need to, divide completely. Still, 3 6 times gives me 18 and 3 7 times gives me 21. So I will go for 6. 10 divided by 6 gives me 1. 6 1s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. That is bigger than 10. Here it is 50. Now if I have to arrange them in descending order, So it will be from the greatest to the smallest. That is 80, 50, 6, 1. Therefore, I can arrange the corresponding fraction as 80 relates to 16 by 14. 50 relates to 5 by 7. 6 relates to 2 by 21. And 1 relates to 1 by 42. Thus, in the descending order, you can say 16 by 14 is greater than 5 by 7, is greater than 2 by 21, is greater than 1 by 42. So, hope you have understood the concept of comparing fractions without finding the LCM. So, in the next video, we will be learning more about another topic. So, till then, take care. Bye.